Hi students, today you are going to be working on the assignment Predicting the Future, just like what we practiced in class. So at the top of the paper you see it says 6th grade science, Predicting the Future. Here's where you put your name. So just like I wrote Ms. Betty, put your name in there now. And then put your period. Press pause and press play when you are ready. Okay, let's read the directions. It says use what you already know to make one prediction about something in each category below. Your prediction should be one that is realistic. Now, realistic means something that could really happen in real life. Okay, it has to be something that could really happen, not something pretend. And one thing that you think is going to happen, not hope, but you think it could come true by the end of the school year. Remember, you need to use all of the following colors. You need all the following items. I predict that in yellow, an action word highlighted in red. It has to be specific, and that you're going to highlight in blue. And you have to have a future word that is highlighted in green. Remember, our future word is mostly going to be the word will. So let's look at number 1. Number 1 says your family or friends. So you need to think about your family and friends and something you think is going to happen. So maybe what are they going to do? Or what do you think will happen to them? Or what do you think they will be like in the future? Remember, you need I predict in the box right here. You need an action word. What is going to happen to them or what are they going to do? You need something specific about what's going to happen or what they will do. And you need that future word will. So let's look at my example. I chose my mom and I wrote, I predict my mom will make me an apple pie from all her apple trees. I have I predict, I'll highlight that in yellow. I have the category, so my mom. I have the word will, that's my future word. Make, that's my action word. And something specific. What is she going to do? She's going to make me an apple pie from all her apple trees. I'll highlight that in blue. Now you think of something about your family or your friends. What do you think one of them will do in the future? Press pause and fill in this box with your prediction. When you're ready, press play and we will do number 2. Okay, students, here's number 2. Number 2, the topic is the United States. So remember, we're going to make a prediction about the United States. Okay, what do you think the United States is going to do? Or what do you think is going to happen to the United States? Or what is it going to be like? Okay, so maybe you're thinking about the president as the leader of the United States. What do you think the president is going to do? Okay, or maybe you think about what is going to happen to the United States in the world. Are we going to get more involved in other countries overseas, like China or some countries in Europe? Remember to write, I predict that, okay? Your future word will, and your action word. What is the United States going to do, or what is going to happen? And then be very specific, okay? Put your prediction in the box, and then press pause and wait for number 3. Okay, students, here's number 3. The topic is the world. What do you think is going to happen to the world? Something realistic, okay? What do you think the world is going to do, or what do you think is going to happen to the world, or what do you think the world is going to be like in the future? Okay, maybe you're thinking about how the temperature around the world is getting warmer and the ice around the world is melting. What do you think is going to happen? Okay, maybe think about all the wars that are happening around the world. What do you think is going to happen? Don't forget to write, I predict that. Your action word and your future word will blank. And then be very specific. What exactly do you think is going to happen to the world? Press pause Write your prediction, and then we'll go on to number 4. Okay, students, we are on number 4. This one's kind of fun. You're going to make a prediction about something on TV, a movie that you saw, or a book that you've read, okay? What is a prediction you can make about one of these things, okay? Think about a TV show. What do you think is going to happen on the next episode of your favorite TV show? Or think about a movie that just came out that you just saw. What do you think is going to happen with that movie? Is it going to become really popular? Are a lot of people going to see it? Is it going to fail and not make very much money? Think about a book you read. What do you think is going to happen with that book? Okay, remember to write I predict in the box above. What do you think will happen? There's that future word will. And your action word, what is it going to do or what is going to happen to it? And then be very specific. Okay. Press pause, write your prediction in the box, and then we'll go on to number 5. Okay, students, number 5 is all about music. This is a fun one too. Music, what do you think is going to happen to something in your music world? Think about your favorite singer, your favorite band, maybe your favorite song. What do you think is going to happen to that band or that singer? What do you think is going to happen to the music that he or she is making? Okay, so you in the box right here are going to write, I predict that. Be specific about a song or a singer. And then your future word will blank. Will do what? Okay, will make a lot of money. Will write another song. Will take a break from writing music. What do you think that singer or what do you think is going to happen with that music that you like? Press pause, write your prediction in the box. When you're ready, press play. We'll go on to number 6. Okay, students, number 6 is about sports. Okay, so think about your favorite sport. Think about maybe a sport that you play and that you are going to do with that sport. Think about your favorite sports team or your favorite sports player, soccer or basketball or football or baseball. There are so many sports to choose from. You can either write a prediction about something you are going to do with a sport that you like, or you can make a prediction about a professional sport that you watch or that you like to follow. You can make a prediction about your favorite player, what's going to happen to him or what's going to happen to her, or what is he or she going to do. Think about yourself. What are you going to do in a sports game that you play? Don't forget to write, I predict that. Okay, the sport or the person you're talking about will what? What is going to happen? Press play and write your prediction. When you're ready, press pause, write your prediction. When you're ready, press play, and we'll go on. Okay, students, number 7. Okay, number 7 is all about Valley View Middle School. You are going to make a prediction about our school. Okay, what do you think our school is going to do this year? What do you think is going to happen to our school this year? Or what do you think our school is going to be like? Okay, do you think our school is going to do a music concert or a play? Do you think our school is going to do something in our community? Do you think our school is going to be a safe place to learn or a friendly place? Okay, what do you think is going to happen? Make sure you put I predict that. Okay, talk about our school. Will is your future word. And what? What is going to happen? Okay, press pause, write your prediction, and then we'll go on. Okay, students, that was the last one. Okay, you are finished. When you are finished, we are going to turn in your assignment and you will be done. Good luck. I hope you made some great predictions.